wasn't doing what he was doing, he'd be a bum. He'd be James Miller.
No, I promise you,
That
Salah grew up in Thierry Henry's era. Salah will be balling.
Nah.
No, that's not.
I'm not even sure about that because he's small. He's small.
Prime example, Sergio Ramos versus Salah. Prime example. Real Madrid versus Liverpool.
Look what happened to him.
He hurt him on purpose.
But that's how they play.
That's how they
Took
play.
him out of the game. He was never afraid the rest of the game. Did they win?
That's all I'm
the
saying.
whole point.
Salah would have survived.
Sportsmanship comes into play too. Like I get it. It's not the way to play, but it is the way to play.
Okay, then by that, Salah's better than Ronaldo.
Which one?
Cristiano.
Not numbers, guys.
In the Premier League, he's better than
In the
Ronaldo.
Premier League, yeah. Ronaldo left when he was freaking 19, 20 years old. Salah's been in the Premier League his whole 20-year, from 20 to 30.
Salah is supposed to be doing what he's doing because he's an old man. If he wasn't doing what he was doing, he'd be a bum.
I promise you,
That shows
Salah grew up in Thierry Henry's era. Salah will be balling.
Nah. That's not